Hello guys, please like and subscribe. I want to reach like 100k or like 1 million. So please like and subscribe. I said please. And also remember the shiny power come to me. Remember that, guys? I do some gun shooting video. And also the basement monster, right? Like it have part 7, like crazy. And also I introduced my second floor, and then me dancing with the basement monster, and I don't know what to say. Let's play girl garden, and me when studying, and also let's recreate it. And also into this video, I'm gonna create something. It's gonna explode it. So please like and subscribe. And also now I'm gonna combine each other. And also I'm gonna combine all the weapons. The weapons are AK-47, katana, and the chainsaw. I'm gonna combine it in 3. And now let's combine. Ooh. It might be gonna be so heavy, I think. We need to attach it. Oh, me? I can't. We don't need to use this trigger anymore. We can just use this chainsaw trigger. 3, 2, 1. I think I just destroy. I just make a disaster. And now, see you guys. And also, see you guys in the next video. Bye.